Welcome to the Halton Community Services Directory. This video will introduce you to the Halton Community Services Directory, which provides listings of thousands of community and nonprofit resources throughout Halton Region. The Halton Community Services Directory is found online at hipinfo.ca. If you are looking for a source of information to connect you with community groups and nonprofit organizations in the Halton Region, you will want to visit the Halton Community Services Directory at hipinfo.ca. The Halton Community Services Directory connects you with resources you're seeking with accurate and up-to-date information. All listings in the directory are maintained by community resource specialist database curators who live and work in the communities they serve. Unlike when using an internet search engine, the listings in the Halton Community Services Directory are ad-free. The Halton Community Services Directory is brought to you by the Halton Information Providers, the HIP in hipinfo.ca. HIP is a coalition of 5 community information centers and the Child Care Directory and Information Line in Halton Region. The group was formed with the goal of minimizing duplication in the collection and management of community information and providing a comprehensive database of community and human service information. The HIP partnership is formed by the Community Information Services of the 4 public libraries in Halton Region: Information Burlington, Information Halton Hills, Information Milton, and Information Oakville, along with the Halton Resource Connection Child Care Directory and Information Line. The database editors who maintain the records are certified resource specialist database curators, who ensure that all listings are held to the professional standards outlined by the Alliance of Information and Referral Systems. You can search the Halton Community Services Directory's listing of over 4,000 community and human services to find not-for-profit organizations, community-based groups, and government organizations and services. While inclusion in the directory is usually limited to these types of records, there are a small amount of listings for commercial services that fill a need where a nonprofit service is not available. Let's look at ways to search the directory. Searches will default to keyword searches, but options to search other ways are provided. You can choose to search a specific area by selecting Serving and selecting a community to narrow the search to that location. If you are certain of an organization's name, change the selection to Organization Names. To search a general service category, type in the service and choose Service Categories. Here's a look at some of the results of a keyword search using the term Job Search. A search using those words and no other filters or limiters returned 83 records that match the search criteria. The results are shown by organization program names, area the organization is located in, and a brief description of the agency. Here's the listing for the Adult Learning Center, Essential Skills for Employment. At the top of the listing is the agency name, Adult Learning Center, the site for this particular listing, Georgetown, and the service, Essential Skills for Employment. Scrolling through the listing, you will find contact information, agency information, description and service details, and site information. Listings with similar subjects are grouped together under one icon for easier searching. This is based on a taxonomy that categorizes and indexes each listing, added when a listing is created and maintained through annual updates. When you click on a category icon, you will get a drop-down menu of specific subcategories. Click on a subcategory to find listings offering those services. The category search includes an icon for topic guides. These are how-to listings that offer additional instructions on finding a service, and topic listings which summarize multiple options within one listing. In the topic guides category, you will find listings making it easy to find services such as medical labs and walk-in clinics, or where you can go to donate household items from books to used wheelchairs. The Halton Community Services Directory also offers 2 specialized views. The Halton Senior Services Directory contains listings and categories of specific interest to older adults and their caregivers. It can be found online at seniors.hipinfo.ca. Halton Youth Services is a specialized view of the directory with listings and categories directed toward young people. It is online at youth.hipinfo.ca. These specialized views make it easier to search for services offered for people in these age groups. Thank you for joining us for this video. Remember to search the Halton Community Services Directory on your computer or mobile device by visiting hipinfo.ca.